Meet the Talisman Island 13 Plus, a full-featured off-road ready caravan for two. Compact, capable and incredibly comfortable. It offers a lighter towing profile with big van amenities, including a large ensuite and electric lift roof. Its fully Australian engineer-approved chassis is paired with Series 4 recovery suspension, dual shock absorbers and 12-inch electric brakes for confident towing wherever you roam. Outside, the 90-degree swing kitchen offers hot and cold water, a 4-burner gas stove, cutlery drawer and folding stainless benches, seamlessly joined to the pantry slide. Setup is a breeze with push-button electric roof lift, electric awning and electric steps, most with manual overrides for remote area peace of mind. Inside, the 13 Plus features an island bed, a standout difference from the twin-bed 13SB or the hard roof 13HR. Enjoy bedside storage, 12-volt and 240-volt outlets and Midgie-screened windows for year-round airflow. The lounge includes a removable table so you can dine, work or clear space for gear. Flexibility you won't find in the fixed cafe seating of other compact vans. And yes, there's a full ensuite. Enjoy a hot shower, flush toilet, shampoo dispensers and ample built-in storage that's rare in a van this size. Off-grid is made easy with roof-mounted solar, high-capacity lithium batteries, smart charging systems and multiple 12-volt and 240-volt power points inside and out. Front storage, external access and positive pressure ventilation to prevent dust ingress into your caravan while travelling on dirt roads. Choose optional upgrades like a TV, camp fridge or a full annex for extra comfort. Compact and complete, the Talisman Island 13 Plus delivers full-sized features in a lightweight, agile form. The Talisman Island 13 Plus, the comfort of home ready for anywhere.